You have 3 seconds. How do you say to kill 2 birds with 1 stone in Portuguese? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Daily Challenge. Learn to speak and write 5 sentences by Determined to Learn Portuguese. The equivalent expression in Portuguese is matar 2 coelhos com uma cajadada só. Now, let's practice together. Please repeat after me. Matar 2 coelhos com uma cajadada só. Again. Matar 2 coelhos com uma cajadada só. One last time. Matar 2 coelhos com uma cajadada só. Now it is your turn to practice. Read the sentence out loud 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Now, let's practice your writing. Please write the full Portuguese sentence into the comments right now. To make this really stick, I invite you to come back to this video in 1 day, and again in 7 days. When you return, mute the sound, recall the sentence in your head, and write it in the comments again. You are using spaced repetition and shadowing, 2 techniques that help you remember for a super long time and speak naturally. Thank you for joining the challenge of Determined to Learn Portuguese, a highly effective free Portuguese learning channel for beginners. When you learn Portuguese, you aren't just memorizing vocabulary. You are building a bridge to millions of warm and wonderful people. Your effort to speak their language is truly beautiful. Keep building that bridge.